Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I'm going to describe another movie, and the title of that interesting movie is The King and the Beautiful Lamb. The characters of that interesting story is a lamb, a king, and other humans. And before any further ado, let's start it. Once in a jungle there were a man, and he was living with his a lot of Once upon a time in a jungle, there was a man who was living with a lot of animals in the barn, and he had a lot of animals. One was a cow, the second was a horse, the third was a cock, the fourth was a rat, and the fifth was a rooster. And they all were good friends. And one day they were playing each other in the barn, and they were so happy in the barn, and they were playing each other, they were playing together and having fun. Suddenly that a lot of men came to their barn and threw a big box to their barn, and they were so surprised that what is this box, what is this? And inside the box there was a thing, and it was jumping and jumping with the box, and the box was shaking here and there, the box was running. They all was very scared, and then they hid behind the every many things, behind the things. So they were watching from there, and suddenly the mouse said that I will solve what is the thing in it, and then he happily went towards the box, and something turned out the hand, and then picked that mouse and went inside in the box. Then they all were scared that anything has eaten the our friend mouse, and now we have to save him. Then a horse scarcely went to the box, and then he broke the box, and he saw that the mouse is alive, and there is a small lamb, and he is so beautiful, and he is laughing on the all animals that you are scared from a lamb. You are bigger than me and stronger than me, but you are so scared from me. And then they had a lot of fun, and they were laughing. Suddenly, some people came, and the lamb thought that we have a chance to escape. We will be free. The humans are coming toward us, and they will open the door, and we will run together. The all were very scared and said, "We will not go, and we want to live here." Then the lamb said, "Oh shit! If you don't want to go, let me go. I want freedom, and I want to go to my mother. I want to go. If you don't want to go, you can stay here." And then he ran towards the man, and then the man picked him and caught him and said that, oh, you are so naughty. You cannot live here. We have to sacrifice you. Ha ha. You are so naughtiest man in the animal in this barn. We have to do something to you. And then they packed him into the box and started to go on the donkeys, and then they were going slowly, and the all animals were seeing that they have captured our friend, and we have to save our friend, and what we can do. Then they had the idea. Then a cow said that there is something written on that box. Maybe it should be the place where they go, and they were trying to read on that box, but they were not able to read it because it was showing so small, and they could not read it. But then uh, uh, mouse said that I have glasses. I will come with glasses, and I can see. Then he came with the glasses, but he couldn't saw anything. Then the horse said, I have a scope, and then he brought the zooming scope, and then he saw in that scope, and he read that there is written the farm, and now it is looking like a place, and we have to go to the farm. And then they went outside, and the mouse was saying that come out, we have to save our friend. But the all animals were so scared that anyone will beat us, and he will kill us like that lamb. and we don't want to go. Then the mouse said, come here, we have to save our friend. Then they scarcely came out, and then they saw that there is no one. Then they so happy, came so delighted. Then they started their journey to save that lamb. In the way, they found a donkey that is coming towards them, and it is looking so angry. And then he said that, take away from my way, I will kick you otherwise. Then the horse was so scared, and then he took a side. Then there was another man who said to the rat, rat, go here, I have to pass the road. And then the rat was so scared, then he took the side. And then at the last, that donkey said to the cow that, go away, I have to pass the road. Then the cow was so angry after listening that, and then the cow kicked him very much and beat him very much and said that, you don't have any except you are saying like this, and I'm bigger than you, and you have to respect me. And then he said sorry, and then he said that I'm so angry because all humans took heavy works from me and they do not respect me. I don't have any respect. Then that animal said that, uh, skip this. The humans do like this. Humans are so stupid. We want your help. If you can help me, you are free and you roam here and there. You may know the all places here. Then the donkey said, yes, I know all places of this village. And then he said that. Then the cow said that, we want to go to the farm. Do you know where the farm is? Then the donkey said, of course, I know where the farm is. Come with me, I will go to the farm with you, and follow me. Then they were going to the farm. They were going very slowly and slowly. It was a big journey. And on the other hand, the humans were going to that place where they have to sell that lamb, and to the man who will sacrifice the lamb. And then they were going on the donkeys, and suddenly they went to that place, and then they put that lamb into the cage, and then put that cage into a room, and there were a lot of other animals too captured by them. And then a man came to the lamb and said, ha ha ha, in a few days your owner will come and we will sell to your owner, and he will kill you and he will sacrifice you and he will eat all your meat. What you will do then? Then the lamb was so scared after listening that. Then he was shouting for help. Then on the other hand, the other animals that his friends were coming toward them, they were passing the street secretly by the humans. There were a lot of gods, and they were passing very secretly from them. And suddenly, they were going from at the night time. All who were sleeping, all men were sleeping, so they were going from the streets secretly. And in the way, the donkey and a pig, there was a pig too in that team, and tied together, and they could not go together, and one was going up in front and one was going behind. They were tied together with a rope, and they were feeling very difficultly, and in the way there was a big tree, and they stuck off with that tree and they couldn't move. And then they tried a lot to go, but they were not able to go. Then they slept there too. I don't. Then there was only horse, mouse, and cow. The cow saw a lot of grass, and then the cow went to the grass to eat. And the cow was busy in eating grass, and the horse is left now. And then the mouse and the horse were going. The mouse was talking to the horse, but suddenly a horse saw a big treasure, and he saw that, what is that shining thing? Then he went to that treasure and saw that, oh, it is the artificial treasure. Oh, then he wanted to come back, but he was so tired, and he said that, I will go to in the morning. I'm so tired, I'm exhausted. Then he slept there, and when he woke up, he listened the weird sound that, why you came here? This is my place. Why you are sleeping on my place? Go away. Then he became very scared and said, "Now I woke up. I'm not sleeping on your place now." Then he said, "Ha ha ha! Now why you are touching my place with your foots?" And then he said, then he jumped on the glass and sat on the boxes and said, "No, I'm not touching your place with my foot." And then he said that, "How are you are touching the box?" Then after that he ran away and said, "No, I'm not touching anything from your place." And they were the crows and they were making fun of and they were having fun and they were changing the voices and to scare the animal and they had a lot of fun. And then the horse ran away and slept there, and the mouse was left and he was going and he was thinking that all animals are behind me and I'm with my team, but he was talking to the team but they were not responding. Then he saw that behind there is no one, he is alone. Then he said, "Oh, where are all of them?" And then some crows attacked on the mouse and flew with the mouse. Then they threw the mouse to the ground and the mouse was fainted. And then after that, they all were busy. And then the horse saw the donkeys and pig sleeping, and then the horse went to them and saw. Then they untied the horse, and then he untied them, and then he started to find the cow. Then he find the cow eating grass, and then the horse and all went to the cow and then they go together. Then they were finding the mouse. Then they suddenly found the mouse, and then they got the team. All the members of your team was there, and so they decided to free that lamb. And then after that they started to go to the place of lamb. And they were trying to find the lamb, but they couldn't. Then they were trying a lot to find. Then they were in the search of the lamb. Then suddenly they found the lamb in the cage, and then they freed the lamb. And then they wanted to run. Then they were running and saw there is no lamb behind us. And then they thought that where the lamb has gone. Then they went to that place again and saw the lamb is freeing the all animals, and they said, "Oh shit, you have to run now, and then they will come back and then we will save them." And all animals, all men are coming toward you and they will catch you again. Then they suddenly the men came and then they catch the lamb. The lamb was now in the cage again. Then the all animals become so unhappy, and then they went to their place, and then they went to the streets and then they slept there. And then they in the morning they decided to find that lamb again. They were finding here and there, but they couldn't find any lamb. Then they said to the mouse, "Can you smell the lamb?" And then he said that, "Okay, I will try. I'm not dog, but I can try for my friend." And then he was trying a lot, but suddenly he found the lamb voice. He listened the lamb voice, help me!" And they saw from a small hole, and he is in the room, and he is in the cage, and he is shouting. And then he went to that lamb, and then he started. The donkey was kicking the wall of the room to block the room, but it was so hard. Then he kicked a lot and a lot. Then the wall was about to break. Then the lamb shouted, "Oh no, who are you? Why are you breaking wall? I will be killed. If you will break the wall, it will fall on me and I will be killed. What are you doing? Try another way." Then the donkey thought that what we can do now. Then he had the idea that there is a king and we can go to the king for help. Then the donkey was in the search of the king. He went out and he then arrived on the to the king and said that, "We need your help. Some hunters came towards the place and they are stealing the animals, and our lamb is also captured by them. Please help us." Then the donkey and king went to their place, and then the then the king and the donkey came to them place, and then they saw that the all men are selling the thing. Then the king was so angry. Then he unlocked the all cages and freed the all men, and also beated the man and said that you will be in the jail now. The all men were angry. Then the king went to the lamb place and then they freed the lamb. And then the a man came and then the man catch a lamb again and say to the king, if you will come here, I will kill the lamb. I have this knife and I will sacrifice this lamb to you. Are you cannot come here, go away. Then the king was so angry and he said that, okay, I'm going, I will come again. And then he went away. And that man was almost to kill, and he went to his palace with that cage, and then he put that cage on the stairs and have to and wanted to take some rest, and he was having some rest, and suddenly lamb was trying to come out of the cage, and he was trying a lot and a lot. That sound make the man awake, and then the man woke up and saw the lamb is trying to go. Then he ran towards that cage and then unlocked that cage and caught the lamb. Lamb was going here and there, and then he was running behind the lamb, and he caught that lamb very difficultly, and said that, oh my god, now I have got my lamb. Otherwise it may go and I should lose all my money. And then he said that he said to the man, please bring a very good knife to sacrifice this lamb. The lamb was so scared, and he was crying, and his tears was falling on the ground, and he was so crying. And he said to the god that, now god, you only can help me, anyone cannot help me, I'm on the end, please help me. Then after that the man brought that knife, and the man was almost to open and kill the lamb. And then the ground started to shake. The ground was shaking so hard. There was a lot of clouds and a big storm, and there was thunders and lightning, the ground, and the ground was shaking, and then the roof and the pallet was shutting down, and it was breaking. The all things were breaking. Then there was the mouse, and then he took. Then the man ran away from that big palace, and then the mouse was very scared that how I can save the lamb. And then he picked that knife, and then he cut the rope and untied that lamb, and then the lamb became so happy that I have saved my life. Then he was running and running. He was running around. Then they both went to the desert where the all animals were waiting for the lamb, and then the lamb went to that place, and then they said that, where is the king? Then the all animals said that, we are so sad to say that, but the king is died now. Then the lion said, oh no, I don't know. The king helped me, was trying to help me, but he couldn't help me. But he was trying a lot to help me. He invested a lot of time in helping me, and but he couldn't save himself. Oh no, may Allah bless him, and may Allah give him in the paradise. And that's it. Then they all became very good friends, and then the lamb went to his mother, and the all animals got freed, and they started to live in the jungle freely, and they were so happy that we have fought against the humans, and we have saved our life and our lamb too. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe my video, and that's it. Thank you for watching.